Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency to US dollars on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Uber, but you're traveling abroad, and for some reason the currency changed to their local currency. How do you actually go ahead and change your currency back to US dollars? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Set Preferred Currency. Next, click on United States dollars and click on Confirm. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the currency to US dollars on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the